Hi there, I'm Dina.
I'm Rex.
And I'm Chewie.
Our mom was one of the first dogs to fly into space.
And our dad is an astronaut trainer. And together, we are
the Space Dogs family.
Voldemort, please jump higher. Okay, climb up. That's right. You're pathetic. Here's how you are ruining my circus. 1, you broke my tightrope, and 2, it's because you're too fat. Right, that's it. If you don't lose some weight, you're fired.
I don't know why I'm getting bigger.
Hi there. How is everything going today?
Horrible. The circus does not appreciate me, so I'm leaving. Forever.
What?
What do you mean?
Yeah, what happened?
Well, maybe the parrot is right and I've gotten too fat. But I am an artist.
Aw, don't leave. We'll think of something. Yeah.
Okay, I've got it. I will come up with a fat destroying machine. It's the only thing that would work.
What if he just lost weight?
That would work too.
All right, we're gonna help you. Come on.
Oh.
Come on.
It doesn't work.
Huh?
Hey, I'm hungry. I can't say no.
I don't get it. He's just as fat as before.
Your boss.
Terrific job! As they say, bravissimo, bravo! You'll be perfect for our new high wire act, Death from Above. Ah! It'll be a sellout. I can't wait!
Oh, I'm done for.
I've got a good idea.
Is this really gonna work?
Nice costume. That looks terrific. Have I seen that somewhere before? You're paying for that. It's over. I'll see you when you're finished. Another cake from your adoring fans. Here, eat all you want.
I have always believed the only thing better than an artist is a bigger one. Ow.